So we filmed 2 watch videos today, the Series 2 and the Apple Watch lineup. What should we do next? What's on my list? Apple Watch Series 5? Oh my gosh. We'll just say it right now, it is so worth it right now. Sorta. I mean, if it was still being sold by Apple right now, it would be the best watch ever, because the Series 6 is like barely better than the Series 5 having a always on whatever thing, and then better display, and then the blood oxygen app, or I think is what it was, or whatever. It doesn't matter because the Series 6 sucks, and it even had to have colors to make it look good. The Series 5 is super good, and Apple knew that, and so they couldn't keep it, and they replaced it with the Apple Watch SE, which is also super good. It doesn't have, the SE is if you want it brand new, you can buy it. It doesn't have an always on display like the Series 5, but it's, and, or fall, no, it has fall detection. It doesn't have an always on display or the CGI. I'm sorry, I can't remember how it's pronounced. So it's like on par with the Series 4 right now, because it has a better processor, but it doesn't have a couple features that the Series 4 has. So it's kind of on par with that. It goes Series 3, and then the SE, and the 4, and then the 5, and the 5's there, and then it's the 6. 5's really good, and a month when the new one comes out, I think they're gonna make the 6 go down a little bit. So I think Series 6 might be better just because it's just a bit better. It's gonna be. That scared me. Oh my gosh.
Bit better. It's gonna be. That scared me. Oh my gosh.
I was not planning for that. So the Series 5 is a super good watch, and let's start with the display. The Series 5 first introduced the always-on display. It also even has a bigger display than the Series 3, and so it makes it 40 millimeters instead of 38 millimeters, and 44 instead of 42. On the back, they're a little bit different because there's a couple new health features, like fall detection and stuff like that. And the Series 5 is a really good watch. Series 4 is just as good as this SE, so if you want to get the Series 4 instead, get the SE, and pretty much wait until the Series 7 until you really pick a watch. I mean, even look at this display. It is so much better than the Series 5 and the Series 3. Like, gosh. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace out.